What's up guys, my name is Serge here. As always, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and go ahead and leave a comment down below your guys' thoughts on today's topic. If you haven't heard or seen anything about the new program that FICO will be releasing in the summer of 2019, stick around so I can kind of inform you guys a little bit about it and what the criteria FICO will be looking at. USA Today reports that the new FICO program called UltraFICO will be using and taking information from your guys' checking account, from your guys' savings account, and other types of accounts to see the length of those accounts and making sure that you guys stay in the positive in your guys' checking account. So for instance, people that have been in the negative in their accounts the previous 3 months, this could be something that would actually help you guys. And if you guys have been struggling to get your guys' credit scores up, this will be something for you guys to look at and to look forward to, because it's supposed to help people with low credit scores, especially in the higher 500s and in the lower 600s. These types of people will definitely benefit and qualify for the UltraFICO program. Who will benefit the most from this program will be people with little credit history. So you may have a decent credit score right now, but you guys just don't have a long credit history. This will be very beneficial for you guys, and so you guys most likely will be able to qualify for it. And then people who are trying to rebuild their credit after, say, a financial crisis or something that tanked their credit score, this will be for those types of people as well. You're most likely able to qualify for the UltraFICO program if you fall just a few points below the cutoff that FICO will set, and also if the lender you are currently using actually uses Experian as well to check the credit score. So you guys may be able to do that once it's released. So whatever lender you have, if they're using that, and most lenders across the board do use Experian to run your guys' credit score. So if that's the case, then you guys will probably most likely be able to qualify for it as well. Estimated time, like I said, will most likely be the summer of 2019 according to US Today. So keep a lookout for that if this is something that actually sparks an interest for you guys. And so let's go ahead and kind of compare what is FICO XD, which is a current program used by FICO to help people with the similar situations, and what the difference will be for UltraFICO once it's released. FICO XD is another program, like I said, that FICO uses right now currently to help people with lower credit scores. The few differences is that XD does not require any type of deposits. They won't be looking at any of your checkings account, savings account. That doesn't play a factor when it comes into FICO ultimately looking at your guys' credit scores and increasing it. Also, UltraFICO is going to be designed for a broader spectrum of things and will be for broader uses such as loans and credit cards. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If this was informative, go ahead, hit that like button, leave a comment down below your guys' thoughts, and if you are using FICO XD right now currently, let me know. Leave a comment down below for all the other viewers to see how that's working out for you, and you know, give us your story and leave that down in the comment section. Thank you guys, God bless, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.